send your glamour shots to 4horsemandiecast@gmail.com. The build is due the last day of the month, and if you're going to send pictures in, please don't send them any earlier than 5 days. If you send them like the day after the month begins, I've got to go back through, and I get hundreds and hundreds of emails from folks asking questions and things, and I just want to make sure you're represented well when we do the recap videos, and that'll be coming up really quick. Thank you so much for joining me today on the 4 Horsemen Diecast. Like I said, check out the other builders, and don't forget to subscribe to them because they put out some great content. Check out the schedule on the YouTube page 4 Horsemen Diecast, and it'll get you ready for the build. Cheers.